Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start secret chat on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Now click on the name of user you want to start the chat with. Open the profile of this person by clicking on the top section of the screen. Tap on the three vertical dots and here you can see Start Secret Chat option. Click on it, and if you're sure that you wanna start, then click on the start button. And that is how you can start the secret chat on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.